The salvation of the Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. Thank you, Lord.
The pressure, the stress, the heartache. Too much heartache. But God said, I'm giving you, I'm releasing your heart from all of the trouble that you've been carrying.
Hallelujah.
You gotta see him do it. He said, you shall live to see him do it. One by one.
Hallelujah.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hallelujah, God.
Jesus.
Hallelujah,
Thank
God.
you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
God said, blame not yourself.
Thank you, Lord.
Blame not yourself. No, ma'am. God said, stop it. Take the blame off of you. Don't you dare cry.
Jesus.
No more.
Jesus.
Don't you dare hold nothing heavy in your heart against yourself.
Hallelujah.
Against anything.
Yeah, God. Yeah.
I said, let it go. Shabbat. He said, in his presence, you better let it go. That's what's causing all of these issues in your body. He said, it's what you're holding in your heart. Let it go.
Hallelujah. Woo. Thank you.
You better release it right now.
Free. Freedom.
Get your victory. You still gotta live.
Yes. Yes.
You can't live under this kind of condition. Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Yes,
And you'll
God.
find those ailments will leave your body when you let it go. Sometimes what we hold causes sickness. It births sicknesses. Heart pain and heart trouble. Breathing disorders, aches in your body. Don't you let me get in the spirit.
Go ahead, Mama. Go. Yes, God. Use us.
Respiratory problems. God said, let all of that stuff go so that you can breathe right.
Jesus.
I command the breath of the Lord
Thank you, Father.
to get inside of your mouth.